Hey guys, part 5 of the top 10 technologies you should be using with your virtual assistant. And I'm just going to say, stop it right there. This is my favorite app of them all. This one is sneaky, but it's useful, but it's sly. My team doesn't even know I use it. The people I talk to don't even know I use it. This one is amazing. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so Justin Nelson, CEO of Sphere Rocket Virtual Assistants. We are on part 5 of the top 10 technologies you should be using with your virtual assistant. But this one is one that not only you should be using yourself, but one that your team can be using. Like, most of these parts are things that your team can be using to be better productive, to have better communication with you, have better, overall time management. But this one is one you should be using as the employer. It is a game changer. So this app is called Streak. And Streak is a Chrome extension that attaches to your Gmail account. Now, what happens with this is now every time you send an email out to anybody, it could be your team, it could be a prospect, it could literally be anyone. Whenever you send off an email to them, what Streak does is it almost like attaches like some type of software. It's all legal. I don't know how it works, but what it will do is if I send an email to, let's say, Joel's my COO. If I send an email to Joel using Streak, and when I say using Streak, I don't have to use any fancy technology. I don't have to click any buttons. It's just on my computer already. I hit download and hit install and do all those things. When I send Joel an email through Gmail and it gets to Joel, this thing will tell me when Joel opens it, how often he opens it, when he opens it, how long he had it open, how long he read it, how far he scrolled down the screen. It is an amazing tool. So if I send out an email, for example, to 10 people in my organization, it's a super important email that I need everybody to read. And at the bottom, I say, and by the way, I need you to respond by tomorrow at 5 o'clock. With an answer, with a response, with an RSVP, whatever it is. When I send that off, the next day, I can go in there and I can pull a report just by it. It's not fancy, it's not hard to do, it's not inconvenient. You literally just go to your set box, you click send, you click on the email, and there's this little eye button, just like this little eye, like an Illuminati looking eye. And you just hover your mouse over it and it will say, Dan opened it at 8:02 a.m. this morning, and then he opened it again at 1 p.m. this morning. The deadline came at 5 p.m. So now if I message Dan and go, Dan, why didn't you respond? And Dan says, I never got it. Number one, bull. Number two, I know exactly when he opened it. Now, there's so many different tools with this. Like, there's practicalities, like I send an email to Joel. Maybe he just got buried, right? Now I know that Joel's not ignoring me. I know that it didn't get lost. Like, he just never saw it. Right? Now, maybe Joel's opened it 15 times. Well, in my mind, maybe Joel's just thinking on it, right? He doesn't want to respond yet. He wants a crafted answer. He had to go get things together. Where I really love this is with my VA team, right? So that way I know, are they communicating with me fast? Like, when do they open it? What's their response rates? Things like that. The other reason I like this is if you guys have like a prospecting team, a sales team, etc. I really, really love everything about this in terms of what it can do for you and just being able to give you better insight. If you're doing prospects, I do this all the time. Hey, I wanted to know if you're soliciting our services. Send. Then it says they opened. And now I know I'm going to call them right this second, right? Or I'm going to send them another email right away. Like, there's a lot of really cool things. So make sure you guys check out Streak. As always, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, hit the bell button for the future videos. We're only on part 5 of the top 10 technologies that you should be using with your virtual assistants. And with that being said, as always, another shameless plug. If you guys ever need virtual assistants, I'm CEO of Sphere Rocket Virtual Assistants. We placed over 4,000 plus VAs over the last 3 years. See you guys at part 6.